Tracy's drug addiction began when she was 13. She's been getting help on and off for 15 years. She's at this drug rehabilitation centre, Turning Point, for support.
I don't know, I just had enough of it all, and it was like going to bed every night, worrying how I was going to get money or drugs in the morning. So you usually make sure you've got it the night before, because that getting up in the morning and being ill and not being able to do anything or go anywhere until you've had something to make you be able to do it. Because when you're sick and withdrawing, you can't really do much.
Turning Point helps those seeking support when it comes to drug and alcohol misuse. A report today highlights how spending on treatment services fell by around 40% in real terms in the years 2014 to 2015 and between 2021 and 2022. Almost 6,000 people across Britain died from drug-related deaths in 2022. In England, drug deaths have risen by 80% in a decade. There's also been a sharp rise in young people using drugs, with 19% of 16 to 24-year-olds in England saying they've taken them. And it's a costly business for the government. Drug-related crime cost nearly £10 billion in 2021. The report by the Public Accounts Committee says the government has made improvements, including drug worker recruitment and disruption to supply, but says sustained funding is necessary. The government says these claims are based on data pre their drug strategy, saying they've increased the number of people in drug and alcohol treatment by over 17,000 and that drug use for people aged 16 to 24 is at the lowest level in around a decade. Alistair's been through recovery and is now mentoring others.
It's incredibly fulfilling. It's part of my recovery as well. It's really important for us to give back.
Tracy also wants to help others, both showing there's hope for individuals after drug and alcohol substance abuse. Anila Dami, 5 News.
And just to say, if you or anyone you know is struggling with any of those issues raised there, do speak to your GP. There are lots of charities who can help, like Turning Point, who you saw in Anila's report there. Their details are www.turning-point.co.uk, and those details are on your screen now.